Hey guys, it's Mariah and
Bila. Our camera battery died.
yeah,
But
we're using this glue. Let me pour it. Okay, we have
because Bella's here, just say that.
and sorry, it's just that people are texting me. Sorry about that. Here's another. And so we're using Tide, which we already put in, and mix. Let's mix. And then there we go.
And we are
But you're gonna mix it for a little longer.
Yeah,
we
with
just
your hands.
fast forward it.
There's hair in it already. What kind of laugh was that?
I don't know.
Alright.
So we have our slime that's sticking to the ground,
Okay, we need to add more activator.
which is our Tide, of course. Bella, you. And go follow JoJo. Go follow her because I'm like the top fan.
She probably doesn't even know.
I know. I tried to call her yesterday, but like it wasn't reaching it. So yeah, it's not coming. So
We have to keep mixing
Yeah.
because you got.
I'm gonna get a piece. This is how it looks right now.
We're gonna take our spoons and we're gonna just.
Like, I don't know what happened. Like, it was fine until this girl put too much
Activator. And it's all stringy.
So we're gonna let it sit for a minute, and then right now
We're gonna let it melt, and then right now we're gonna
go. Wait, she's gonna stay here while I'm gonna go check if we have glitter.
Hi, my name is Bella. As you already know. It's so stringy. But she asked me for making slime.
So
Burning.
guys, we
Don't.
don't have glitter,
But
at least we're making slime.
and I don't know if it's gonna turn out right.
If it doesn't turn out right, whatever. But just to know, do not use too much Tide.
Because it will get stringy.
Drink it.
Tide does work. It's just it's too much. And if you add too much, you need to add some more glue.
Yeah, which we have on our hands. We're getting it. And oh shit. So guys, by the way, if you want us to make more videos, just leave the link.
And we will probably be making another video.
Yeah, I will like in a couple more days. My hands, they're like slimy.
Oh, I know what you need to do.
So she's squeezing out the Tide. That was the bite. When I was scraping my foot, it made that sound. It sounded weird though. The
It's kind of
ladder,
working.
the ladder sounded weird. Okay. No, I didn't. It was
Alright, what you want to do is we're going to do experiments. They live here?
Yes, they did. Sorry, we were talking about some friends.
Not really friends. Okay, we're going to go.
People from our school.
I see the ambiance. I see the. Okay.
Sorry, guys, we're done.